Oh, you're vicious. Vicious, Jared, vicious.
Whoa, that was a good one.
It's like a bowling ball. He just runs and knocks him over. Hi, Thor. Yeah.
Jai, go. Go play.